Mokoena, Mnamui. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Ilantung yokholo, ilantung yokholo. Khale bandao taba bangata, kajele na kiyente. Ake sobola ne basmaila, kajele na baswente. Ne banghana banana bana, tabisende bodi kenke. Ufukile malambani, jana wa cho December. Mokoena joli badade, raise tabaleza. Mjana kemo, maloma tepisole mtizi. Abutiana polintimole, mtlakwana pola December. I work smart, ilona gata. Two ways to back the pub. Labaganda tabanjaja bankasa, katoyo na gitwale. Labaganda tabanjaja bankasa, katoyo na gitwale. Tutaga di mabai bai, kidi sebele ritega tata. Motoka di majaba jaba, kidi sebele ritega tata. Kibila gispana gatata mehlai, kitore pekele focholo. Mpempela pisa jadiraya, kikelezi petula sono. Kibila ntung yokholo, kirekile ntung yokholo. Kibila ntung yokholo, kirekile ntung yokholo. Kibila gispana gatata mehlai, kitore pekele focholo. Mpempela pisa jadiraya, kikelezi petula sono. Kibila ntung yokholo, kirekile ntung yokholo.
We open our live performance segment. Mokoena in the studio. It's gonna be lit. Hey man, how you doing?
I'm good, my brother. How are you?
No, everything is on point. And I'm happy to have you back again.
Thank you. I'm always happy to be here.
Yeah.
It feels like home.
Yeah, it feels like home. Now, let's talk about the song that you just performed. What's the title and what is the inspiration?
Okay, so the song is called Ndiyokgolo. I'm working on my EP right now. The EP is focused on manifesting the things I want in my life.
That's positivity.
Yeah,
right
so
there.
I'm already seeing myself
In that house. Yeah.
So yeah, the song is about manifesting what I want in my life.
So I can tell that you're a very spiritual person, right?
I'm very spiritual.
Very spiritual. Yes.
Laws of attraction. So yeah.
Which is very good. Now let's talk about your names.
Yeah.
I know you as Mrapanzula. What are you using officially?
Mrapanzula, I use that one when I'm doing like very modernized type of songs like the rapping, the ama, which is Mokoena. Yeah.
Because my next question is actually directed to the kind of art that you do. How do you define, how would you define your music?
Yeah, it's very hard to define of different elements or different genres, ranging from hip hop, famo, amapiano, basically everything that I grew up listening to. You know, even right now, the song that I just performed, Ndiyokgolo, is famo. You know, yeah.
So you don't have like a general term, maybe just to refer to that fusion of different genres?
I don't really necessarily have a general term because the thing about general terms is they box you. So I can't really box myself, you know. Yeah.
You still want to allow yourself to branch out. Yeah, be flexible. Now let's move on to the next song that you're going to perform. What's the name and what's the title? What's the inspiration?
Yeah, this one is called Mosadi Chelete. It's a very brand new song that I just dropped a couple of days ago. I write songs inspired by my personal life or my surroundings. So this one was inspired by, like, I see, women really love money nowadays. They really want money. You can't even date when you don't have money. So if you can make that's what inspired the song. So I was really making a call to my fellow brothers out there. Hi. Nah, y'all better
stop dating the wrong ones. No.
So,
no.
You know the most interesting part? The most interesting part is you dropped it a few days ago, right?
Yeah.
You know this month, It's called November.
Oh.
Let me tell you about November. We have Black Friday, bro.
Yeah, Black Friday.
So you did it intentionally.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Mokoena is in the studio right now and he's about to perform the next song. Mosadi wa Fuwa Chelete.
Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Zega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Aisuka na mazekwa bodila muni. Bazali batenga boni silver spoon. Bayibatela Chelete mina tiri saluni. Wentabise mbale isathandoli juli. Alaga mugizu utame ubeje. Alaga manala utame useje. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Bama laba sanzani bayitsoka kabuhalini. Asena koloi mahlong a bona ya efeila. Batenti mfazi batenti mbokoto. Akausia usena letwa ka dipokoto. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Motsotsongwa ha jwale je kopale dadi tsabale mamele. Ke ntano itika mabedi a mararo. A ile hantle basadi a ba sokodisi. Empa e le hore fela ba ithatela matjhankura, ba ithatela dilopotsia, ba ithatela disamente ntho tse monate. Fang basadi tjhelete ba nyakalle. E tswe mosadi ha thabile ho rena kgotso fela lapeng dikgomo. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete. Uzega mununuza, uzega muhuza. Move Chelete, Mosadi Fuwa Chelete.
The cash now, the more they sort of get happy, and when they get happy, you know, there's peace in the house. There's peace in the house. Man, this is a nice jam. There's absolutely no doubt about that. And I now understand what you say when you're talking about writing about things that happen around you.
Yeah.
Things that you see happening every day.
Yeah.
Because I don't think there's any man who can stand here and say, look, I've never faced this in my life.
Yeah.
You lie, my guy. Yeah, we give out money. Yeah, I'm guilty. They're all guilty.
Even if you don't want to, you know.
Bro. Where you go, you might want to go up to Anyway, now let's just march on to the next question.
Yeah.
Now, you released the song a few days ago. Are you...
Yeah, I'm currently working on an EP, but first of all, I'm working with the crew Tsamusheshe. We'll definitely be dropping an EP for the whole crew before the end of this year. And maybe the EP will drop, my own personal EP will probably drop next year. But this year we are focusing on the EP of Tsamusheshe.
Of Tsamusheshe?
Yeah.
Okay, how many tracks are we expecting from the EP?
Yeah, there's a lot of people within the crew, so possibly like maybe 10 or more, because we're gonna be dropping, like each and every single individual will be dropping their own song, and then we'll have a couple of songs where we are together as a crew.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about the video for this song. Bro, yeah, it's a good shoot.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. Currently I don't have the video, but yeah, I'm still in the process of like conceptualizing the whole video for the music video.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm probably gonna drop it before the end of this month. So yeah, right now we just I think about 3 weeks ago we dropped a video for the new song we dropped from the group Tamusheshe. It was called Forever. Yeah, the video is we have to celebrate Mosadi remix earlier this year.
Okay.
One of the biggest songs currently in the country currently.
Yeah.
Mosadi remix by Escapondo,
Omali.
featuring Omali. Yeah, we did the remix for the song. Sere featuring the crew Tamusheshe and Budaza and Sidimutaba. And yeah, a couple of days ago it hit like 100K views.
Oh, that's awesome.
On YouTube. So yeah, that was a milestone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna be wrapping it up in this manner. You performed the last song, but there's another one that we are willing to play as we walk out, right?
Okay.
What song would you like to to end our conversation?
Let me see.
Tricky.
Yeah, very tricky. Really tricky. I really don't know.
Pick one.
Maybe since people really love Mosadi Fuwa Chelete right now, I think they are paid.
Oh, you would like to repeat the song?
Yeah, they are paid.
Alright, no doubt. Yeah. This is the song that's actually wrapping our conversation, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's talk about where people can find you on socials.
On social media, they can just search for Mokoena. That for all our music video, all our songs, all the interviews. They can get them on our YouTube channel. Just search for Tamusheshe. Everything is there. Tamusheshe on YouTube, Tamusheshe on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Tamusheshe everywhere. If they are looking for me personally, Mokoena everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. Mokoena, Tamusheshe.
Look, it's 25 minutes after 8 o'clock. Remember, 8:30, our DJ also is going to be here. Chelete, so keep it locked. Right now, Mokoena is performing the last song. And of course, it's a repetition because we're going to be going through the same song, Chelete. It's a brand new song. Actually, it's out. It was released less than a week ago. Yeah. So obviously
now it's still free. People can get it for free. Like Mosadi Fuwa Chelete, like redirect that to the link, and they'll be able to download the song for free.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, give it up.